shit, that's for sure. Know that wick nigga who wants to smoke. Nobody nigga scared, that's for sure. Turn that button on and everybody hit the floor. Tryna push up on they mans, if you know, then you know. They like DU4 and 5, I'm like, bitch, I'm on go. Drake on my lap, I got button on the side of me. These niggas think I'm sweet, they gon' die, they keep on trying me. Get along, I'm tryna spin. This a fresh striker, fuck putting the window in. But bro, I'm bullshit, fuck him, he ain't tryna bend.
What's the deal, y'all? What's going on, man? Today we back at it with another one, man. Today's video, we are doing the exhaust on the Hellcat. I look dusty as hell, need a cut, but fuck it, man. Anyways, we're doing the exhaust on the Hellcat. I think I'm about to change my brakes and rotors too, because my shit shake a little bit when I stop, even though I changed them before. But I put cheap brake pads, and I don't feel like putting cheap brake pads back on my shit, to be honest. So I think I'm gonna just buy the more expensive brake pads, I guess you could say, and put them on. But so yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna let y'all get this little sound clip of how the car sound right now too, so that way y'all be able to reference it when I put the new shit on. Oh yeah, and I gotta fix this shit. So for y'all that don't know what happened, I didn't put the clips. Well, I think I did, but I think they came out, the screws or whatever, to hold the back bumper in. So one day I was on the freeway doing like 130, and the bumper, this side of the bumper, started flapping in the wind. And it caused this shit to get bent, a crease in the bumper, and then this creased a little bit too. But it stayed in. Like if I pick it up and push it to stay in, it stays in until I get the driving, and then it come back out. So I'm about to fix that. Brakes and rotors all around, and the exhaust. But this y'all sound clip, so y'all know what it sound like. Hold on. Let's hit the phone up. Alright. Package just came. See, it says 6264. Take this to the back, open it up. All right, this is what come in the pack. I think these is, yeah, this is the driver's side. That's the passenger side. It come flared to go inside the flare for the other side for the manifold, and then you got your clamps. Put that on. They weld the O2 sensor bong in. Now the only thing, if you put stock O2 sensors in here, your O2 sensors might work. Yo, I'm talking crazy. Your O2 sensors might work for a little bit, but so much heat going through it, it's gonna burn your O2 sensors up. So I'm gonna give y'all a little trick, what to do, so y'all cannot have a check engine light. Hopefully, I don't have a check engine light. That's what I'm praying for. So, buy these. You need 2 packs. 2 packs of these. I only got 1 pack, but I gotta go to the parts store anyway. I ain't tripping. This is what you gonna do. Come with 2 washers. That shit. You need 1. Hold on, I'm gonna try to show you all that. All right. So you got both of these. You feel me? Now, if you take the O2 sensor and put it directly into just one of these, it's gonna be blocked from the other end, right? So what you gotta do is, one of them, you gotta drill out the hole. Drill out the hole, make it wide enough, which you damn near making it to where it's no restriction right here. You drill out that hole, and then you screw it in. After you drill that hole out, you put that one on top, and you screw it into the other one. You screw it, let me see if I can screw the shit in. All right, boom. Now, you screw it into the other one, and then you're gonna have a little contraption that look like this, or whatever. Boom. It's gonna look just like this. And you don't have to drill the other one out. Leave this one closed like this. And drill the one out, leave the other one closed. Now when you put your O2 sensor on there, it's only gonna go down from here to like here. So that we're not gonna mess with it at all. And it's gonna let fumes and shit still get through it so it's reading kinda right. Then once you do that, then here, let me see. Then you screw it. Then you screw it into there. So you're gonna have some that look just like this. And you screw your O2 sensor straight into here. And then you good. But that's how you do it so you don't have no check engine light. Hopefully. This is my first time doing this, so I'm hoping that I don't have a check engine light. Cause that shit check engine light bothers me, bro. Now, you come in the box, you got your left side, right side, 2 reducers, and 2 clamps. You only need 2 clamps because your original exhaust already has 2 clamps. So you will have the other 2 clamps for that. So if you got to use a reducer, then you got the clamps for the reducers, and then the other side already have clamps. Cool. So right now, I got the car in the air. It's on jack stands. You probably, it's one right there, so don't say shit to me. I got the fan. I got the fan underneath the car because I was driving the car, so I'm trying to let it cool down. But I gotta go to the auto parts store, so I'm gonna leave it running, leave the fan on while I go get these brake pads. Which I already got the rotors. Now I got the brake pads, like, look, I got the brake pads. These the brake pads I had on here before. But these the brake pads I had on here for the front. These is the cheap ones that they got, and these is for the back. I don't know if y'all can see that shit, like heat warp. Bad as hell. Like, look, you see that shit damn near borderline cracking and shit, which is what my last ones was doing. And that shit irritating, bro. That shit dumb as hell. And I think it's from getting the cheap brake pads. So I'm about to go get the more, I'm gonna say more expensive, but I'm gonna just go get the better brake pads and put the better brake pads on here, and hopefully that stop my problem. Cause this shit is out of hand. This shit is ridiculous. But other than that, let's get this shit going, man. Cause this 5-minute video that was supposed to be like a 1-minute video. All right, y'all. So we got the old shit out. Hold on. Show you the old ones. Old shit out. O2 sensors out. No shit. Slide up under here and put this shit back together. Let me see. Oh, the hood open. Get started right quick. Forgot the hood open. I'll press the brakes soft. So far, no check engine light. This bitch loud as fuck. Rail.
a pole, I'ma put my shit to use. Put that pole on his cousin, niggas know what I do. Don want his get back, I'm tryna put one on the news. I'm about to make my move. If it's up, better blow that bitch. It's a war outside, better keep your stick. If it's up, better blow that bitch. It's a war outside, you better keep your stick.